it feel good, you know what I mean, to come back and get embraced. That's like the best part, you know. Being gone for a while, you know. I walk through the streets, yo, ride, yo, when you coming out, you gotta come out, this and that, you know. So, you know, I always want to come back, had little setbacks, but to come back and get embraced, man, that's the best part. So just knowing that people compare me with every hot kid to come out, and you know the expressions people give me when I see them in the streets. Sometimes, you know, people be looking at me like I'm a Martian, like, yo, it's the God, you know what I'm saying? But that alone, man, keep me loving this, man, loving this.
New York. New York. No doubt. No doubt. No doubt. New York. No doubt. No doubt. New York City. New York. New York. New York. New York. New York. No doubt. No doubt. New York. No doubt. No doubt. New York City. New York. New York. New York.
Hey yo, once upon a rhyme where the scenery sets, you see stress. Streets a matter of life and death, no regrets. Life's a test, it's trite with special effects. Neighborhoods full of reps, cities of projects where the young cadets get stripes from the vets. And comrades, the quest to be the next to finesse. Collect debts and select best with death threats. Object, cheddar, better your total net. With trends and 7 ways to express their outfits. Friends get wet, trying to make ends connect. Avenues to check, boulevards to sweat. The smell of gun smoke's more common than cigarettes. We got clicks for wreck, we like pits for pets. We got Johnson Jets, the Knicks, Yanks, and Mets. We like much respect, sex extra wet. In high-tech dialect, you ain't catch yet.
The Bronx. No doubt.
Brooklyn. Hey yo, we got blocks and blocks of big shots with big knots and big props. Yo, this is where the bullshit stop, where herbs get got. If you snitch, you get shot. We get down and lead a town in a state of shock. We got dangerous hangout spots and slick cops. Place called Rikers Island where kids get locked. A lot of gear to rock. Blocks of clothes shops. Styles are top notch. This is the place to watch. So blast the box. The radio station is hot. Ease your mind staring at skylines from rooftops. Flip scripts for chips and new whips off the lot. Quick to call a shot. Politic with thick plots. And the Garden of Eden is deceiving. We got to make sure the core of the Big Apple don't rot. Where seeing's believing, we be achieving a lot. Where disc jocks created hip hop. Check it out. Queens.
No doubt. No doubt. New York City. New York. New York. Long Island. New York.
Hey yo, we got 5 barrels of ghettos, many places to meet. You get lost in busy streets, a city that never sleeps. Metro Pilon, Medina, the population increased. The desert and the oasis, New York, the far east with guards and sheiks. Pretty Amazons for weeks, player dawns and fleets of the family's black sheeps. Icons to teach, but we all act unique. We got stats to read, so we all have to eat a masterpiece with their own masterpiece. The craft's elite. We be going past the beat, the latest technique.
Back! Please come inside! Breathe here! Showtime in 5 seconds! 1, go! Showtime! All right, we have Two rules to this show. Rule number one. You see something to show you like, you clap. Rule number two. You see something to show you don't like, you still clap.
Mona Lisa, Minneapolis. You're so like a lady with the mystic smile. It's lonely 'cause you're lonely, they have blamed you for that Mona Lisa strangeness in your smile. Now listen, do you smile to tempt this lover, Mona Lisa? Or is this your way to hide a broken heart? Many dreams has been brought to your doorstep. They just lie there and they die there. And are you warm? Are you real, Mona Lisa? Or just a cold and lonely, lovely word of art? Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa, from his heart to you.
Probably never use it, but I was at home in my camera.
Alright, we need to get for one.
Wow.
Гледай, човече, реклама има на Цепелинов. Да. Не са нормални. За филм некој. Clearly worse above cable. Directly. Change Ludis. Реклама има на Цепелинов. Не са нормални. Па гледаш од овде, гледаш доле. This is the fucking secret meaning. my first time to be in New York. So I have no idea. Why?
So just knowing that people compare me with every hot kid that come out, and you know the expressions people give me when I see them in the streets. Sometimes, you know, people be looking at me like I'm a Martian, like, yo, it's the God, you know what I'm saying? But that alone, man, keep me loving this, man, loving this.
Close your eyes, close the door. You don't have to worry anymore. I'll be your baby tonight. Shut the light, shut the shade. You don't have to be afraid.